Hello viewers, now you are watching how to make fully tender, most delicious, juicy barbecue flavored mutton chops at home. Introducing ingredients. Take 1.5 kg mutton chops. Take 250 grams yogurt. Take 4 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Take 2 tablespoons coriander powder. Take 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Take 2 teaspoons red chilies flakes. Add salt according to taste. Take 1.5 teaspoons red chilies powder. Add 1.5 teaspoon garam masala powder. Add half teaspoon chaat masala powder. Add 1 tablespoon tikka masala powder. Introducing method of preparation. Add all spices in yogurt one by one. Mixed well uniformly. Now add spice paste on mutton chops. Knead them well. Cover it and place them into refrigerator for 24 hours. After 24 hours put them into cooker, and cook them for 15 minutes until tender. After 15 minutes of cooking in cooker, mutton chops become fully tender. Add oil in non-stick pan. Place all mutton chops in a pan. Turn their sides, and fry them until golden brown on medium flame. Now sprinkle some ring-shaped chopped onions. Set a foil in the center, put a burning coal on it, put few drops of oil on it, and cover the lid immediately. By this process mutton chops become barbecue flavored. After waiting for 5 minutes, barbecue flavored, fully tender, juicy, most delicious mutton chops are ready to serve.